Hi and welcome to the Wax on Enthusiast car meet in Launceston, northern Tasmania. Guys, are we ready to look at some hot cars?
We sure are.
I got the pizza, so let's go. Car show, it's a car meet. This is where car enthusiasts get together and just basically talk car crap. So Jack, tell us what it's all about, mate.
It's all about bringing people together, everything to do with cars. If you've got something you care about, other people are definitely going to care about it. We want anyone, it doesn't matter what vehicle you've got, as long as you've got a heart, you're happy to talk to people.
Yeah.
You know, you just come along, have a good night.
Yeah.
You know, talk the hours away, talk about cars, talk about anything.
Not only cars though, Jamie, a good part about your group is when, especially guys, when they talk about stuff, they sort of open up not only about their cars, they tell you what they're going through, which is, you know, with mental illness being a problem right at this very time as we speak, it's very important for people to connect, isn't it?
You know, it's like how the older generation have, you know, the men's shed and stuff like that.
Yeah.
It's just exactly the same, but just blokes hanging around,
Yeah.
cars, just general interest. Some sports come up, anything comes up.
And it's not age specific either,
No,
is it?
no.
You know?
You can, like, as you can see around us, there's multiple ages,
Yeah.
from young fellas to older people, and there's women and children here as
That's
well.
great. Well, it's something different for my channel today, and I'm so glad I came along because these guys are very passionate about getting people together and showing off their cars. I can't wait to have a look around, so let's go, eh? Jared's brought along a 68 Camaro. What a great year, Jared, this is, and what a beautiful vehicle. Tell us a bit about
I
it.
bought it about 10 years ago from the States. Brought it home though, and as it turns out, it wasn't exactly what it was supposed to be. And
Yeah,
had a
well,
lot of
that is the trouble. There's a lot of people at car shows that I've caught up with have said that exact thing. You know, they sort of glorify it, make it look like the best thing since sliced bread, and when you actually get it, it's not as good.
we decided about 18 months, 2 years ago, we're going to pull it off the road and repaint it because there was a few issues with it. And when we pulled it apart, we kind of found a few more hidden gremlins. And
Well, everyone likes to put their little magic touch to it anyway, don't they? And a personal touch.
And that's what we decided to do in the end. I decided, well, no, I'm going to pull the car apart, do what I want with it, and do it the way I want it. And
Yeah.
because originally it was supercharged, we took the blower and all that off it. And just,
So what is the engine in it?
it's a 350 with a stroker crank. It's got a roughly around about 450 horse, something like that.
Okay,
Totally unusable and ridiculous to drive.
Yeah, transmission?
Muncie 4-speed, and a Ford 9-inch diff.
Now, a real standout feature when you actually drove in, Jared, was these headlights. They look so cool. And we were talking off camera.
Yep.
You either love them or you hate them, don't you? Yeah.
Pretty much. Like, I love the things, and one of my mates in Sydney, he supplies them, and he said, "Oh, take a set and try it, see what you think." Yeah. And when I got them, I thought, "Oh, I don't know," but when I actually put them in, I actually really liked them.
Now, you had a little bit of trouble though. You might have caused a little bit of a fire at one stage.
We were going to a photo shoot, and we were coming down the back street, and all of a sudden I turned the high beams on, and next thing I had smoke pouring out.
Oh no, not good. You don't want a fire in the Camaro.
No, 1968 wiring just wasn't good.
It doesn't cut it. Thanks for bringing it along today, Jared.
Much appreciated.
Zack's brought along this fantastic little Nissan. Looks like something out of the movie. Does this go like most of them do? It does?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Great colour, mate. What colour is that?
So that's a Ford Focus Orange, professionally done.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I didn't do it.
Yeah.
But from what I've been told, it's about 10,000.
Okay, 10,000 bucks. I was going to do my car in that colour, but I don't think I'll do it now. How long have you had it, mate?
I've had it nearly 5 years now.
Yeah, okay.
It was my first car ever.
Yeah.
I've learned to drive on it.
Yeah.
I haven't had any issues with it yet, thank goodness.
Yeah, it's great. Any drifting in it? Round the back streets of Launceston, possibly.
Little bit, not tons.
Yeah.
I'd hate to put it in the wall.
Yeah.
But it's still under 150,000 k's. So
Zack, the worst part about living in Tasmania, of course, we've got a lot of wildlife down here, and unfortunately, your car
has taken a lot of beating.
It has. Yes.
That front spoiler is cracked in probably too many countless ways.
Got the old cable ties out holding it together, but that's all right. We can forgive you for that because you wouldn't be the first one who's bought a car to a car show with a few cable ties on the front
exactly
because
right.
they hit an animal. So we've got to watch out for our animals here in Tassie. So if you're coming down, make sure you watch out for our wildlife. Well, thanks for bringing along today, mate. Do you enjoy these type of car meets?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah,
And it brings everybody together. You got imports, you got muscle. Even we get full drive every now and again.
It's great, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a great show. Jamie, you've brought along a VY SS Ute. It looks pretty tough because it's got an unusual paint system on it, mate. What is it?
Well, it's not actually paint. It's a cheaper option. Like
Yep.
I got my car wrapped
Yeah.
in a charcoal finish.
Yeah, it looks awesome, mate. It looks very good.
It's more of a matte finish to hide all the imperfections.
I noticed there's a bit of embossing going on there too.
Yeah, no, well, my mate who helped me wrap it, or mostly did all of it actually,
Yeah.
was the 2018 Continental
Yeah.
winner for Australia and New Zealand, and
Right.
got second in SEMA.
Yeah.
But he said it's massive in the States and wanted to bring it over here.
Right.
So
Is it cheaper though? Like, I mean, to get a ute wrapped like this, what sort of a ballpark figure are we looking at?
I paid about three and a half.
Yeah.
It depends on what material you want.
Yeah.
And like you can have printed, you can have clear.
Yeah.
If you really like your paint job, you can just get it wrapped in clear.
Yeah. So how's it stand up with the road grime and just general, conditions of the road, dust, dirt, all that? Does it stand up all right, does it?
Yeah, well, it can pretty much, you just wash it like a normal car, no high pressure wash.
Yeah.
Take a normal wash. It's got some self-healing abilities. So like if you accidentally scratch it slightly when you're washing it with the mitt.
Hit it with a hairdryer?
Nah, just let it bake in the sun.
That's me. I hit it with a hairdryer. Thanks so much for joining us at the Wax On Enthusiast Car Meet in Launceston, Northern Tasmania. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel and stick around. There's a couple of videos coming up. I know you're going to love them. See you later.